children. Today we'll write a program that encodes a word in Piglatin. Now what does the word Piglatin mean? It means that if a word is given as London, the output will be the first occurrence of a vowel followed by the rest of the characters. So the output will be O-N-D-O-N. The alphabets which come on the left of the vowel are written after that, followed by AY. So this is the Piglatin word for London. The second example given here is Olympics. The first letter itself is a vowel. So we have to write Olympics as it is, followed by AY. So let us read this question. Write a program that encodes a word in Piglatin to translate a word into Piglatin word, convert the word into uppercase, and then place the first vowel of the original word at the start of the new word along with the remaining alphabets. The alphabets present before the vowel are shifted towards the end, followed by AY. So let us do this question now. First I will be writing import java.util.asterisk. Next I will write class, let me say Piglatin. This is the name of the class I have kept. Then public static void main string args, then a scanner class object. Please understand this question very nicely. It has been asked several times in the board examinations and it is very interesting also. String str, then I am taking another string before the vowel equals to, and after the vowel equals to, like this. Two strings more. I have initialized them with null values. Next I am writing system.out.println, enter a string. Str equals to sc dot. Next I have to enter a word. If I want to enter a string, I will be using next line. Let us see. Next, string new word equals to null, or should I write str dot to uppercase. New word, I have changed the new word to uppercase. Then string Piglatin word equals to null. I have initialized this. Int POS equals to 0. Int I. For I equals to 0, I is less than, comma here, I am initializing len and then writing len equals to new word dot length. Here I am initializing the length of the new word, which is in uppercase, to the variable length. So here this for loop will start from 0, it will go till len I plus plus. After this I am writing char ch equals to new word dot char at I. That means the first character will be checked. If it is an uppercase vowel, if ch double equals to capital A, or ch double equals to capital E, or ch double equals to capital I, or ch double equals to capital O, or ch double equals to capital U. These are the 5 vowels which we have to check. Then position will be initialized with I. And then we'll write before vowel. The string before vowel will be new word dot substring starting from 0 till POS. We'll be storing the string before the vowel in the variable BW and we will be storing the string after the vowel in the variable AW. New word dot substring from POS till len, like this, starting from 0 till POS, and here starting from POS till len. Len means till len minus 1, 1 before. We can even omit this, it is not compulsory. If I just write POS, that means starting from POS till the end of the string. Both are correct. After this, Piglatin word. Pig word. The name of the variable was, Piglatin word was pig word equals to after vowel plus before vowel plus AY in capital letters. This is to be added. So this is, we are joining the all parts of the Piglatin word in the variable pig word, which is a string type variable. Now I am going to write system dot out dot println output capital word. First I am printing capital word plus new word. This was the capital word which I had converted. Then I am printing system dot out dot println output. Sorry, output has been written. Piglatin word. Piglatin word equals to plus pig word. This was the name of the string type variable. And then break. This is end of if block and end of the for. Here I am writing if POS double equal to 0, which has been initialized earlier. That means it is not an uppercase vowel. Then you have to print system dot out dot println. If there is no vowel, only then POS will be 0. So you have to print no vowel is present in the string. No vowel is present in the string, so Piglatin word cannot be formed. This is what you have to write. After this, end of main and end of the class. Now let us save this program as piglatin.java. Save as piglatin.java. Yes. So I am trying to execute it now. Java C piglatin.java. There is some error. BW. Error cannot find symbol. BW is not found. Let me see what was the variable. It was BV. It was not BW. It was BV. I have written BW by mistake. So let me change it and then save it again. Again I am trying to execute it. Java C piglatin.java. No errors now. Java piglatin. C, enter a string. Now let me enter the string as London, as given in the question. Capital word is London, Piglatin word is C, ONDUNLAY. That means it is giving correct output. Enter a string, Olympics. Capital word is this, Piglatin word is this. It is giving correct output. Let me take the word as sky, which is not having any vowel. No vowel is present in the string, so Piglatin word cannot be formed. That means our program is running absolutely fine. I hope all of you must have understood the program. Please have a look at it again. It is a very important and an interesting question. Thank you, children. I hope all of you must have understood.